Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating is your trusted AC repair company in Houston, TX. Our expert technicians are dedicated to keeping your home comfortable year-round. From fast repairs to preventive maintenance and installations, we've got you covered. We prioritize your comfort and offer affordable, reliable solutions. Contact our AC repair company today for consultation. Are you looking for a AC repair company near me? You can stop looking. You found Ace Comfort Air Conditioning and Heating. Why is my AC not cooling in Houston? Verify whether your outside condenser is operating. If not, one of the most typical issues with AC systems in Houston might be a clogged drain line. Should I turn off AC if it's not cooling? It is advisable to switch it off and spend some time troubleshooting the issue. What is your AC repair company area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local AC repair company has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Cypress, Tomball, Pasadena, Katy, Sugar Land, Baytown, Friendswood, Spring, League City, Harris County, the Woodlands, Humble, Bellaire, Galveston, Angleton, Damon, Eagle Lake, Texas. Where is your Houston, Texas AC repair company located? We are located at 1504 Rothwell Street, Houston, Texas 77002. Our phone number is 281-658-5141. Visit our website, http://www.acicomforttx.com/